Hello, I am Dr. Riddhi Gandhi Shah. I am a Chief Dermatologist and Cosmetologist at Ageless Medica Skin and Hair Clinic Ghatkopar, and today we are going to talk about Hydrafacial treatment. Hydrafacial is a type of Instaglow treatment. What we do is cleansing is done, followed by exfoliation. Then there is ultrasonic scrubber, serum infusions are done, RF skin tightening is done, and finally a mask application is done. Cleansing is done according to the patient's skin type. If it is a oily skin, a salicylic acid based cleanser is used, otherwise a gentle cleanser is used to remove all the superficial debris and dirt which are deposited on the skin and to prep the skin for the following procedure. So exfoliation is done with multiple methods here. First of all, a traditional skin polishing is employed. After that, a mild peel is done on the patient's face, which will help to remove all the superficial dead skin cells which have been deposited, facilitating the serum infusion which are going to follow later. Ultrasonic scrubber is a small metal plate kind of a device. What it does, it vibrates at a very fast sound frequency which causes mechanical displacement of the dead skin cells and which adds on to the exfoliating step that we have done previously and makes the skin all the more smoother. In the next step, vitamin C serum along with additives according to the patient's skin type is applied onto the skin, followed by electroporation. It is a basic simple gentle electric current is used to infuse the serum into the deeper layers of the skin, which will help to reduce the melanin synthesis and give an instant glow effect on the patient's face. So serum infusion is then followed by RF skin tightening. RF skin tightening is an energy based step in which the epidermis is cooled with a jelly which is applied onto the face, and the probe will deliver heat energy into the dermis which will heat up the collagen, and that collagen will give a tightening effect to the skin and it will act on the fine lines and wrinkles in long run. According to the patient's skin type, a mask is chosen and applied onto the face. The mask helps to relax the patient, which will relax the facial muscles and give soothing effect to the patient. Plus all the procedures that we have done before are going to increase the redness on the face, so this mask step will help to soothe down the skin and cool down the skin. And along with mask, a light therapy is given. It may be a red light, blue light according to patient's skin type again. The basic mechanism of this light is to reduce all the bacterial count which might have increased because of too much handling of the skin in the previous steps, and all this in combination will help to soothe down the skin, relax the skin, and finally give the glow that the patient is looking for. Hydrafacial is a very good instant glow treatment for patients who want to skip the downtime, like brides, bridegrooms, or patients who are going for corporate meetings. Plus, it is a very good maintenance treatment as well as a very good starter treatment for patients who are looking for peel therapy later. Yes, it can be combined with any other treatments like laser toning or carbon peels or even Botox, which can be done in the same session. Thank you for watching Dermis with Dermats, and we'll be back with another interesting video on skin and hair care soon. If you have any queries, you can drop them in the comment section below.